वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता या आमच्या गोरमेच्या म्हयन्यान. सो दिस इज समर कूल ड्रिंक एंड दिस इज watermelon juice. Just take half watermelon and then you can put it in the mixer grinder and just don't strain it because otherwise also we eat the whole. So I have not strained this directly a juice of that. Then in this glass I have added few rock salt and basil leaves, if you can see. Now I will add lime juice to this, with seeds, without seeds, so tangy, and I will take more. Now we will crush this in this. Same way with this, along with the salt. Then we'll add this in this. And we will add our sparkling water, that is soda. That's it, and enjoy it. Take a nice, serve it like this. Enjoy. Hope you all will enjoy this summer drink. Quick, easy to make and without sugar because watermelon is sweet. Thank you.